how Afrikaans singing sounds to a non-Afrikaans speaker. Ever thought about how your favorite songs might sound to someone who doesn't understand the language? Well, let's take a musical journey and see. Door wat blended on caffeine voor factor dan niks tolak vol bedankt so can form it real funk so wat jam so fine kick del voor so me van dan plus de selvig voor sa voor van take on den prosu jordan friend like call het del me feels like polic toolkit del big fun to kill for soul kiss Leo not. Nope. This isn't what real Afrikaans sounds like. It's just a bit of musical nonsense. The channel is all about having fun with languages through song. But some will miss the joke and complain that this isn't true Afrikaans singing. Makes me feel like I've got a crystal ball. Follow along if you want more of Spongebob singing in utterly made-up gibberish.